Checking out her, oh, just walking around her. Vietnam. To see in the world, so many streets and cities to view in Vietnam. Oh, 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 Vietnam. Walking around her, seeing her, checking out where, oh, just walking around where.
We're in Hue, Vietnam, somewhere called Incense Village, and I'm kind of lucky because right here they'll come out real quick and try to get you to buy some of it. But I just want to capture it. But we're going to be walking down this way in a little minute, in a bit, and we're getting to let's show you where we're at in the map first. Okay, we are in Hue, so I have lots of street videos in Hue. Let's put this up on the map. This is where Hue is at in Vietnam. And then we're basically going to be in this area, which is where the tourists are at. So let's just get right into it and show you as if you're there yourself. Okay, so you got the umbrellas, it's all set up. Got some conical hats. And we have some lanterns as well. We're going to walk down a little bit, and then we're going to meet one of my friends who's going to join us. He's in that place right there where we just ate. And then we'll kind of walk around and show you what it looks like. Looks like they also have some tourist stuff as well in here, so like in that area. Let's come around. So yeah, I think they sell traditional clothing, lanterns, incense. We have little places to sit right in here too. Okay, this looks like a little bit. Maybe this would be a good place to get a good picture. Okay. Yeah, this one also has like a little spot too for pictures. So yeah, this is this Incense Village. So we're gonna walk down a little bit further. This is a place that we just sat a little bit. They got a pool table there, had some peach tea, gave me some ramen as well. That was nice. More places over here, so it's nice you can sit outside and take it all in. And on this side is all the incense. So I'm gonna come back over here. But yeah, we're in Hawaii, so there's actually a little hop on, hop off bus that you can take, and it takes you to this whole area. Hello. Lots of different flowers, incense, things like that. Oh, that's kind of a nice building. Get some coffee, kumquat, different fruits and things like that. Yeah, pretty nice. Hello. Yeah, it's quite photogenic, right? So they also have these, I think these, like you could maybe sit down and have a nice photo yourself with all the incense right in there as well. So it's a good photo opportunity. Let me see, we got more. And it looks like we have some some buses, so maybe some people take the tour buses over here. Hello. So yeah, I can sit right there. Thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna get an idea what that looks like, people sitting for the photos. So I guess maybe that's what more people do, is it's like you can get some good photos in this Incense Village here. You can also buy some incense, and there's a lot of souvenir stuff like in the back over there as well. So I can see some paintings way in the back. So that's, I think as I walk by some of these, they're trying to bring us back there, and I think that's why. Okay, so it looks like this goes deep into that. Huh. If I look down, I can see, like, I think it looks like a cemetery, but it could be something different. So that maybe people that, I guess it's called Incense Village, so it's like a little bit of a village just right on the outskirts of Hawaii. Hello. Thank you. I guess you also have more stuff in there. I guess she's gonna invite us in. We'll go on in and take a look. Okay. Oh. So they have all kinds of stuff back here too, including magnets. Okay. They even have some beautiful paintings as well. Last night I was with my friend here, and we saw a lot of beautiful paintings that are coming around and selling it. Oh, thank you. Sushi. It's okay. Oh, smell. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, that smells really good. And I guess you could also sit here and sample those out. But, it's okay. I'm gonna walk. So, thank you. So yeah, that looks really beautiful. It's gonna keep on walking down. But anyways, that's kind of an idea. I think I'm gonna put the camera away because it feels like that's kind of the same theme. Like there you can see more traditional clothing, more incense, all the way down this whole area. But that's kind of what it's all about. And it's also good for all the photos like that as well. Another spot for photos. Hello. Hello. Oh, okay.
And smell incense.
Ah.
Do you want to try smell incense?
It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Come on. Okay, so that's a little slice of the village. I think there's even places for snacks as well. Oh, this looks really nice. Hello. It's very nice. Thank you. I don't think it's gonna come out, but I'm just kind of walking around and showing the village a little bit. But that looks pretty cool. Gallery, coffee, light star. Okay, so on that note, we're gonna end it for Incense Village. A little slice of Hue, Vietnam. We'll end it right there.